Hey guys, it's morning of VLOGMAS 3. I'm about to leave for the bus. I'm not excited. It's 10 degrees out. So excited. Nothing better than taking the bus on a cold Monday morning. Tuesday. Oh my god. I don't even know. My brain's fought. About to go to my first hour class. Just got home. It's so cold outside. I'm just gonna change because it just makes sense, you know? So I just changed. Don't question my outfit. This is like a swim top and like soft. And then my skin is so bad today. Like, I don't know what is going on. I think it's the weather because it's like changing to winter and my skin always does bad in the winter. I don't even know why I came in here. I forgot. So I think I have to clean the basement because my grandparents just left. I don't want to. All right, so we just had dinner. I'm super full. And my brother's doing homework right now, and we're probably just gonna like play a game or something. This is kind of what an average day in my life looks like because I'm not doing anything special. I'm not doing anything less. Well, actually I would be outside, but it's 10 degrees out, so that's not working. We're playing touch volleyball right now.
Yeah.
So Bennett and I just played games for an hour. I swear it was so long. And now I'm gonna get cake because I'm a bit back. I just died. I just had a large piece of cake and then I have to take out the trashes because trash comes tomorrow. And I'm gonna have one more because I'm big, so I don't care. Here's our new Lego wall. So that's the world map. It's actually huge. Like, here's my head. And then there's like a bunch of cities. I kind of like forget where like some of these are. I'm like not cultured. And then more are going on the sides. And then we got this very big Titanic. It cost like 600. It was so much. And then it's gonna go there. So it's gonna like all like tie in. I think it's gonna look really cool actually. Okay, so first we're gonna empty this. Yummy. This will be needed. It is the Arctic vibe. So good. So off camera, I kind of just picked up because there was just like a bunch of like toys laying out because obviously I have a little brother. I mean, there's some wrappers there that I just saw, so we'll get at the end. But I kind of folded blankets, just picked everything up so I can vacuum. So my thought process was vacuum first and then like disinfect and like wipe things down. That's my thought. Don't know if it's the best, but we're gonna go with it. There was so much crap. Oh my god, did you guys hear that? Actually, I'm kind of regretting vacuuming first because when I wipe like stuff down, it's gonna see all my footprints and just ruin everything I just did. Whatever. That's my partner in crime. Say cheese. Gang.
Stop. It's literally 7 o'clock at night.
You mean 8?
Yeah.
You mean almost 9?
No.
Guys, he's gonna go missing again. This is our last goodbye. We love you.
Love you guys.
See you next year.
See you next time. I'm going to bed, guys. Mommy going
Bye.
to bed.
Okay, so I'm done vacuuming. Looks super good. That was like actually one of the dirtiest vacuums. Let's take a look on how bad it was. Oh my lord. That was bad. Now I'm gonna get Clorox wipes. And after this, I'm gonna have one more piece of cake. Because I deserve it. So I think I'm actually all done because my dad already did the sheets. I picked up and folded blankets off camera. I just really needed to vacuum because there were also dogs down here. So this is my ghetto tripod I used. So I'm just gonna put it back. Oh, that's weird. All right, that's where I think I'm gonna end it off. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a like and comment and subscribe for all the Vlogmas videos I'll be posting. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. You think I'd forget about cake?